All right, friends, we are gonna do this order today, a breakfast burrito with chorizo, add crema, a Cali burrito with steak, add crema, and an esquite to go. I got a little bit of cheese sauce heating up right now for that Cali burrito. It's right around changeover time, so we're gonna have to heat up more cheese sauce and get more rice going and everything for that second shift. So the first thing I wanna do is I wanna drop the fries because they're gonna take the longest time to cook. Okay, so I got about 4 ounces of fries right there, and that's gonna cook in the fryer, 350 degrees for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. So while the fries are going, I'm gonna take my beef chorizo, and I wanna go right on the flat grill with that, about 4 ounces. Okay. Right. I also have an esquite. So anytime you want to saute something in a pan, you want to put oil on the bottom. This is margarine, so it's churned soybean oil. It's not butter based. And then this ladle is a 4 ounce ladle, and we're gonna do 12 ounces of corn. Make sure the spoon has holes in it, so we're not bringing some of that excess corn juice into the saute. Medium heat on the flame, and then we're gonna hit it with a little bit more margarine on top, and then we're gonna put salt in that bad boy, season everything. We're just gonna let that do its thing. While that's working, we're gonna come over here, break down this beef chorizo a little bit, and we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. We're not gonna add any margarine to it right now because it already has natural fat in it, and that's gonna help it cook itself down. It's gonna also get onions and cilantro. Cool. We take our 12 ounce to-go cup. We're gonna line the bottom of it with lime aioli. It's a sauce that we use for our corn and for our shrimp. Gives you like that tangy, deep, rich Mexican flavor. Cheese sauce we're heating up for that Cali, like I said. Good. Okay. Wash my hands, and then we'll start the burritos. If you guys have a minute, please subscribe to the channel. It helps grow the content. It helps keeping us going. We appreciate all the love and support so far. And we're super excited for what this year has in store for us. And it's all made possible by just people who support the grind. It's awesome. Start one of those tortillas now. This. Pick it up or place an order? I'll be right with you. Cheese sauce nice and hot. Okay. One thing at a time. Okay, so once you're able to see the right consistency on the chorizo, when it's even and it's not bleeding out too much, that's when you know you need to add your eggs to the mix. When you overcook it, it starts to separate and spread out more, and then you're just cooking oil at that point. You want the chorizo to keep its integrity. Okay. Boom. And all we're gonna do now is season this one more time, just the egg part. Salt, pepper. And then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of margarine. This is good to go. Can you take that order for me, please? It's okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, so once the corn is cooked and heated throughout, I like to touch it and see with the back of my hand, with the glove on obviously, to make sure that it's hot enough. Then I'm gonna take this pan, this plate essentially, pizza pan, and I wanna just drain all that excess water or margarine that comes out of the corn that while it's cooking, because we don't want it to be soggy. Okay. Eggs are cooking great. Okay. So now that that's drained, we're gonna take our spoon. We're just gonna guide it into the bowl. We're not trying to plop it in there. We're just taking our time. Okay. Make it even, and then we're gonna zigzag from coast to coast, from the left to the right. Okay. And then we're gonna hit that with 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Okay. And then some paprika for color. Nice and tanginess. And then we're gonna top that with a nice little lime wedge. Boom, corn is done. The esquite is done. Okay. Now we're gonna do Cali burrito. So we're doing 4 ounces of beans, 4 ounces of rice, 6 ounces of meat. Okay, let me get another glove. Pull this one off. All right, so 2 ounces of onions and cilantro. We're gonna do red and green. Red from coast to coast only on the ingredient part of the burrito. Boom, boom. Then we're gonna take our fries that were out of the fryer. We're gonna season these with salt and sugar. And then we're gonna toss these so that they're coated evenly. Cool, and then we're gonna align these all facing the same way so that they don't rip through the burrito. Forgot we don't have cheese sauce in there. Got it right here. Then we're gonna get cheese sauce on top of that bad boy. And then they also want sour cream. So I'm gonna throw some sour cream in the mix. Awesome. Now we're gonna fold this like an envelope, hit the middle parts, then we're gonna pinch up, reach that middle, tuck it in, and roll it. One thing down. All right. Then our breakfast burrito, same thing. All the burritos get the standard 4 ounces of beans, 4 ounces of rice. Cool. Okay, and then this one's gonna get the chorizo mix that we worked up here. Nice, looks good. Same thing, onion, cilantro. We're gonna do red and green again. Boom. Boom. Fries, because it's breakfast. Can't do breakfast without fries. And then this one wants sour cream. Awesome. Alright. Okay, same thing. Fold in the middle, press down, tuck it in. Wepa. Awesome. Okay. So this is gonna be our Cali burrito. So the trick is, let me get my other glove real quick. The trick is to try to get to the edge right here, these 2 little pointers, and then you're gonna fold over the flap once. Boom. And then lime, we always put lime in there, but we face it outward so that it doesn't make the flour tortilla soggy at all. And now we're tucking it in and we're just rolling again. That's another order?
There's an order from an end, but I told him he wanted the rice and beef, but he wants them.
I got it.
He wants them separate.
Okay.
So the 3 taco plate, not in a 3 container.
I got you. And that's our breakfast burrito. So we just want to make sure we write on it. Cali breakfast. Awesome. And that's how we make the California burrito, our breakfast burrito with chorizo, and then our esquite, corn in a cup. Thank you guys so much again for watching. We appreciate all the support. That is how you make those items.